Cercon HT also provides an excellent foundation for bridges in the posterior region. The simple approach to a full veneer presented here yields high-quality results quickly and safely. Use Celtra Ceram Dentin A2 to complete the basal aspect of the bridge pontic. Place Dentin Effect DE9 Orange in the central occlusal areas of the restoration. Then build up the buccal, labial and occlusal dentin aspects with Dentin A2. The ridges of the occlusal surfaces are emphasized with Celtra Ceram enamel E4. This makes the occlusal surfaces appear extra vivid in the most translucent areas. Complete the build-up with enamel E1. In a second ceramic firing, the restoration is finished, using only Dentin A2 and enamel E1. Customization with stains was deliberately omitted in this case. The Cercon HT restoration is finally glazed with high-flue universal overglaze. The result, a restoration that matches the desired target share perfectly.